Two-way 3.5mm Headphone Jack Splitter. This 3.5mm audio splitter allows you to connect two headphones or speakers simultaneously. With the headphone splitter, allow to share music, movies and games with kids or friends. Superior sound quality. 100% bare copper conductor eliminates signal loss and enhance cable performance. Universal compatibility. This aux splitter fits for all 3.5mm audio devices, compatible with iPhone, iPod, Samsung, Blackberry, tablets, MP3, laptops. Lightweight portable. The headphone jack adapter is with a reasonable 20 cm length, compact design make it more convenient to use in daily life at home. You can carry this splitter cable for headsets everywhere. Important notes. If you use TRRS headphones 4 conductor, with this extension cable, the audio will work but the mic won't. It also does not work with the inline volume control on the headphone. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality and worked great. Just used it once but it worked fine and felt like a good decent plug end when I plugged the headphones into it. Sounded fine to me but I was using a monitor out on a piece of recording equipment. I could easily compensate for losses that you may get by using two pair of headphones. A cell phone or portable music player won't be able to do that because the amplification power just isn't there.